Ever wondered how money magically moves between bank accounts without the hassle of physical checks or lengthy wire transfers? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of ACH payments and, more specifically, how you can seamlessly send and receive them right within your Relay account. Now, you might be thinking, ACH? What's that? Don't worry, we'll break it down. ACH stands for Automated Clearing House. Think of it as a giant electronic network that facilitates the transfer of funds between banks and credit unions in the United States. It's the backbone of many everyday transactions, from direct deposits and bill payments to vendor payouts. Why should you care about ACH payments, especially within Relay? For businesses, especially those operating online or managing numerous transactions, ACH offers a powerful and efficient alternative to traditional payment methods. Compared to paper checks, ACH payments are faster, more secure, and significantly reduce the administrative burden. No more printing, signing, stuffing envelopes, and waiting for checks to clear. And when stacked against wire transfers, ACH payments generally come with lower fees, making them a more cost-effective solution for routine transactions. Relay, as a modern banking platform built for businesses, understands the importance of streamlined payment processes. That's why they've integrated ACH functionality directly into their platform, making it incredibly easy for you to manage your incoming and outgoing payments. Whether you need to pay your suppliers, onboard new employees with direct deposit, or receive payments from customers, Relay's ACH features can simplify your workflow and save you valuable time and resources. So, how exactly do you harness the power of ACH within Relay? Let's start with sending payments. Before you can send an ACH payment, you'll need to have the recipient's bank account information. This typically includes their bank name, routing number, and account number. It's crucial to double-check this information to avoid any errors or delays in the payment process. Think of the routing number as the address of the bank, and the account number as the specific suite number within that building. Getting either wrong can lead to your payment taking a detour or, worse, ending up in the wrong account. Once you have the necessary recipient details, log into your Relay account. On your dashboard, you'll likely find a section dedicated to payments or transfers. Look for an option like Send Money, Make a Payment, or something similar. When initiating a new payment, you will usually be presented with different payment methods. Here, you'll want to select ACH or Electronic Funds Transfer, EFT. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's bank information that you previously gathered. Carefully input the bank name, routing number, and account number. Relay often has built-in checks to validate the routing number format, which can help catch potential typos. However, it's still your responsibility to ensure the accuracy of the information. After entering the recipient's details, you'll need to specify the amount you want to send and the date you want the payment to be processed. Keep in mind that ACH payments typically have a processing time frame, usually taking 1 to 3 business days to settle. So, if you need the funds to arrive by a specific date, plan accordingly. Relay will likely display an estimated delivery date based on when you initiate the payment. Many platforms, including Relay, allow you to add a memo or description to your ACH payment. This can be incredibly useful for record keeping and for the recipient to easily identify the purpose of the payment. For instance, if you're paying an invoice, you might include the invoice number in the memo. Before finalizing the payment, you'll have the opportunity to review all the details you've entered. Take this moment to carefully double-check the recipient's bank information, the amount, and the processing date. Once you're confident that everything is correct, you can authorize the payment. Depending on your Relay account settings, you might need to go through an additional security step, such as entering a one-time code sent to your phone or email. And that's it. You've successfully sent an ACH payment through Relay. You'll likely receive a confirmation notification, and the transaction details will be recorded in your account history for easy tracking. Now, let's flip the script and talk about receiving ACH payments in Relay. Receiving ACH payments is generally even simpler than sending them. The key here is providing your bank account information to the party that needs to send you funds. This information includes your Relay account's routing number and account number. You can usually find this information within your Relay account settings or on your account statements. When someone wants to send you an ACH payment, they will need to input your bank name, which would be the partner bank Relay uses, your Relay account's routing number, and your specific account number. It's essential to provide these details accurately to ensure the payment reaches your account without any issues. Once the sender initiates the ACH payment, the funds will be processed through the automated clearinghouse network. As mentioned earlier, this process typically takes 1 to 3 business days. You will usually see the incoming payment reflected in your Relay account balance once it has settled. Relay will likely also provide a notification or record the transaction in your account activity. One of the significant advantages of receiving ACH payments is the ease and reliability. Unlike waiting for a physical check to arrive in the mail and then having to deposit it, ACH payments are directly deposited into your account electronically. This speeds up the cash flow and reduces the risk of lost or damaged checks. Within your Relay account, you'll likely have tools to track incoming ACH payments, view their status, and reconcile them with your records. This transparency makes it easier to manage your finances and stay on top of your receivables. To make receiving ACH payments even smoother, consider providing clear instructions to your customers or clients on how to pay you via ACH. This can include providing your bank name, routing number, and account number on your invoices or payment portals. You might also want to inform them about the typical processing time frame for ACH payments. It's also worth noting that Relay, like other financial institutions, has security measures in place to protect your account from unauthorized ACH transactions. These measures can include monitoring for suspicious activity and providing you with tools to manage your account permissions. So, to recap, sending ACH payments in Relay involves gathering the recipient's bank details, initiating the payment within the platform, entering the necessary information accurately, reviewing the details, and authorizing the transaction. Receiving ACH payments, on the other hand, primarily involves providing your Relay account's routing and account number to the sender and then monitoring your account for the incoming funds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.